the Mpow X5. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. These are the Mpow X5s, which feature active noise cancellation. I will go over specs, features, provide music and microphone samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with a user manual, USB-C charging cable, and small, medium, large ear tips. The X5 features 8 hours of listening time, 32 hours with the case. It takes 2 hours to fully charge, uses Bluetooth 5.0, touch controls, USB-C for charging, and it has active noise cancellation and a transparency mode. The case is plastic with a capsule shape, and it has a matte finish. The branding is on the top. On the front of the case, you have the charge status LEDs. And on the back, you'll find the USB-C charge port. The lid is magnetic and it opens and closes smoothly. The earbuds are secured by magnets and they're easy to grip and remove from the case. You can see the ear indicators etched inside. The earbuds have an ergonomic shape to them. It has a grippy rubber feel to it, and you can see the ear markings on the inside. The outer face has a glossy finish with the Mpow branding, along with a large surface for the touch controls. Each of the earbuds have charging contacts, interchangeable ear tips, touch control, LED, and microphone. Here they are side by side. Navigating playback and call controls is just a few taps to get the desired function. To cycle through the active noise cancellation and transparency feature, it's just a long 2-second press. You will hear the voice prompt to indicate what setting you're on. The case comes in at 2.8 by 1.6 by 1.2 inches. It weighs in at 40 grams and the earbuds come in at roughly 11 grams. Now for some music samples. This will give you a sense on how they sound like. It is not a full representation of the overall sounds as there's no replacements for actually having them on. It will then be followed by a microphone sample. Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the Mpow X5 microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. The microphone came in loud and clear during calls, and other parties had no issues hearing me. The pairing process was instant, and when testing video on an iOS device, there was no noticeable latency. Range was stable as I tested in a 1400 square feet setting. Here are my thoughts on the Mpow X5. They seated nicely in my ears and it created a tight, secure fit. They don't feel loose and there's good passive noise isolation. Touch controls are a plus since they don't add pressure in the ear canals. Build and quality is solid. The case has a simple, compact design and it feels durable. The earbuds have a basic design as well, but with a glossy outer face. I like the ergonomic design and they don't protrude out as much once seated in your ears. The touch controls were not overly sensitive and responded well. Battery life is decent, coming in at 8 hours and 32 total with the case. I would have liked to seen wireless charging. There was also no mention of an IPX rating, so I wouldn't get these exposed to the elements. The active noise cancellation feature worked as advertised. You can definitely tell the difference when activated, as it blocks out the ambient sounds. I like the transparency feature, as I feel that the microphones pick up the surroundings really well. It comes in very loud and clear. Now when it comes to sound, these were in line with the Mpow sound signature. I found the bass to be plentiful, and it doesn't sound boosted. It was tight and punchy. Mids and highs are a bit forward, but not too bright. Just enough to highlight the vocals and instruments. I feel there is good separation and depth. Overall, I feel Mpow did well with these earbuds. It does miss out on some of the points I mentioned earlier, but the features do deliver. So that is my review of the Mpow X5 True Wireless Earbuds. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.